Jesus is the Answer Ministries will host a vision board workshop. Where are the visionaries? This will not be an ordinary workshop. Fight to ignite your dream. Rethink your goals. Take action to transform your dream into a business unlike any other. Don't want to start a business? Build spiritual growth. This is your season. Changing times may require a paradigm shift in your vision, major adjustment to your life's plan. It may be time to chart a new course, engage a new model, discover new fuel for your creative engine, test new materials. Join us featuring businesswoman Anika Porter of Fitness with Anika. Her mission is to inspire and ignite how to be healthy, happy, and committed to the process of a life journey. Also, grant writer, motivational speaker, and life coach Mrs. Talisha McGee. Her role will be to provide information and guidance in organizing long, short, and right now goals with value. You need to attend the Vision Board Workshop. Meet us there. God bless you.